Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the famous date and walnut cake. It's a very healthy tea time snack and perfect for your sweet craving since there is no extra sugar added and it is made out of wheat flour. To make this, take 160 ml of milk, warm the milk, take 160 gram of dates, that is roughly 20 to 25 medium sized dates, seedless. Pour the hot milk all over the dates and leave it to soak for an hour. It's been an hour now and our dates are soft, so we will blend this with the milk to a fine paste. Transfer it to a bowl. To this, add half teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use any neutral flavored oil or any melted butter or ghee, which will give it a richer taste. You can also add some spices like cardamom, nutmeg, cinnamon. Give it a good mix to incorporate the oil completely. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Add half cup of wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to it and fold it gently until all the dry ingredients are properly mixed. I am adding few extra chopped dates here, but make sure to coat them with flour before you add them. Grease your pan. I like to add a parchment paper to the bottom of my pan so that cake comes out nicely. So transfer your batter to the pan. Top it with your walnuts. You can use as much as walnuts you like. Now this goes to bake for half an hour in 180 degree. You can also bake this on a stove top in a preheated kadai for 30 minutes. Rest the cake in the pan until it's completely cooled down before unmolding it. There you go. A perfectly healthy tea time cake with no added sugar. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.